Here is Chaaranvi. Now, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell how Akbar met Birbal. So let's start. Emperor Akbar loved going out on hunting expeditions. When Akbar was out on one such expedition, some of his courtiers and he lost their way. They wandered for a long time and at last came to a junction of 3 roads. He was not sure as which of the 3 roads led to Agra. No courtiers was able to help him either. Just then they saw a young man coming towards them from one of the 3 roads. Akbar called out, "Hey young man, could you," and asked him, "Could you tell us which road goes to Agra?" The man smiled and said, "Sir, none of these roads go to Agra." Everybody was shocked at the young man's audacity. Akbar kept his anger in check and asked him again, "What do you mean?" The man replied, "People travel, not roads, do they?" The emperor's anger vanished on hearing this clever reply. He laughed and said, "Yes, you are right. Now tell me, what is your name?" The man replied, "My name is Mahesh. Now tell me about yourself. Who are you and what is your name?" Akbar said, "You are talking to Emperor Akbar, King of Hindustan. If you want," he took off his ring and gifted it to the young man. "If you want to become a part of my royal court, come and meet me with this ring. I will recognize you immediately. Now show us the way to Agra." All of us are exhausted and need to reach Agra before sunset. Mahesh later became an advisor to Akbar. He was given a name of Birbal, meaning of a powerful warrior. Bye-bye. Now I am ending this session. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe, stay digital. See you in the next video. Now I'm ending this session. Bye-bye. If you like my videos, like, share and subscribe to my videos. Bye-bye.